Now we're going to cover how to update your profile. You've just logged into the site app.inyourhometherapy.com on your computer, your tablet, or your phone, and you're looking at the home page. If perhaps you're on your phone or your tablet, you might not have this section visible to you. If you wish for it to appear in your phone, you just click on the home button and it'll expand. And within this section here, under our logo, you'll find your profile tab, which is a head on a pair of shoulders. Click on the profile and it'll give you two options to update your profile or change your password. We're going to update our profile. And this is the profile that you started when you signed up for your account on the app.inyourhometherapy site. So we're just going to go over some categories that you might not have filled in. The first and most important thing is to make sure that your email address and your phone number are your active email address and active phone number that you have access to on your phone and at all times, because this will be the cell phone number and the email address that we use to contact you automated through our website about any inquiries in your service area. As you see, the name's already filled in. Company name. The company name, if you have an incorporated business and you wish for that business to be included in on your invoice, you would put your company name here. My company name. Scroll on down. The profession or designation is, of course, your profession and registered designation. You just click on the drop-down menu and scroll through which one applies to you. Physiotherapist, if you're a physiotherapist. Registered massage therapist. Chiropractor. Acupuncturist. Kinesiologist. Physiotherapist assistant. Osteopath. Or naturopath. For the purposes of this demonstration, we'll just include physiotherapist. Registration number. This is the registration number you may have with your governing body or college. For example, we'll put 123456. HST is only really for registered massage therapists or corporations up here that would have an HST number. If you have an HST number and you're a registered massage therapist, you would enter it here, and that HST number will be present on your invoice, and we'll also make sure that your HST has been collected for you and paid at the end of each week. Social Security number is for T4A purposes. At the end of the year, you will receive a T4A, and we need your Social Security number for that. Treatment areas. This is also quite important. This is the area where you would enter you wish to be seen. So any cities, for example, we'll put in Toronto and Etobicoke, any areas where you wish to treat patients. Mississauga, just for an example. This would be where you would enter those cities. A note. These would be any special notes you may have in regards to you as a provider. Could be a cat allergy, a dog allergy, anything like that. And service provided. This is the service that we're going to be inquiring to you about. So if you're a physiotherapist, like we've used earlier, you're going to click on physiotherapy, and that means any physiotherapy inquiries in the Toronto, Etobicoke, and Mississauga area we are going to notify you about. And that is how you update your profile.